Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and healthy. So today we will be learning the letter I, and I want to learn the phonics song with me. Are you ready? Yes. So here it is. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Are you ready? Yes, so you have found out that the sound of the letter I is E. Okay, very good. Let's start. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Ink is wet. Very good. So now I want you to sing a little faster, okay? A little faster than the first one. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Ink is wet. Very good. Shall we sing one more time for the last time? Yes, so let's do it. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Ink is wet. Very good. Wow. So here we go. We will learn some few more words, okay? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital I. This is the lowercase I. You know how the I looks now. Let's make the letter I sound. E, 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 E. Your turn. E, 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 E. Very good. So now I want you to learn some few words, which is insect, igloo, internet, ink, injury, imagination, and the sound of the letter I is E. Very good. I is for insect. I is for igloo. I is for internet. I is for ink. I is for injury. I is for imagination. You know some I words now. Let's make the letter I sound. E, 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 E. Your turn. My turn. E, 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 E. Very good. The sound of the letter I is E. And the words that we have learned, I want you to sing it one more time together. I is for insect. I is for igloo. I is for internet. I is for ink. I is for injury. I is for imagination. You know some I words now. Let's make the letter I sound. E, 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 E. E, 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 E. Very good. So the sound and some few words we have learned, please don't forget, okay? Okay, so now another song is here. Would you like to learn with me? And there will be some few more words with the sign language. Are you ready to learn them? Yes, very good. So I want all of you to participate, okay? The letter I. The letter I. So the sound of I is E. So we will start with the song as E, okay? And also the other sound we will be using here, I want you to listen carefully and find out in which places we have to use the different sounds, okay? Are you ready for it? Yes, so let's start. E is for igloo, igloo, igloo. I is for ice cream, ice cream. I is for eyes. 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 E is for insect. Insect. E is for iguana. 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 Is for iron. Iron. E is for instrument. 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 I is for e. Sometimes we say e, and in some ways we have to say I, okay? So I want all of you to sing one more time with me, okay? With the action. So the sign language of I is like this, okay? Your 3 fingers on top of the thumb and the little finger up. Very good. This is a letter I. And the sound is E. I want you all to repeat one more time with me. E is for igloo. 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 I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for eyes. 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 E is for insect. Insect. I is for iguana. 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 I is for iron. Iron. E is for instrument. Instruments. Instruments. I is for